welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I feel like it's high time I sit down in front of the camera and do a proper video with my lights, because I have new lights and my new setup, because first of all, it's Christmas, my favorite time of the year, because it's my birth month. It's my birth month. So yeah, new setup in the new home. I have filmed so much content for you guys because I filmed literally every process that I've done in this house, from the paintings on the walls to painting the actual wall to actually putting up everything, drilling of everything, putting up my clocks with, like, it was madness. I did so much. I'm even so shocked and so proud of myself with everything that I was able to do in this house all by myself, even building a couch. Believe it or not, I filmed the whole process and I'm just so ready to show you guys. I'm so sorry, I've been away for like 2 months. It's just the whole house thing just had me really overwhelmed with classes and just COVID, everything. I've just been feeling super overwhelmed. I even started to do therapy because I was just like, look, I'm feeling so overwhelmed. One thing has to take a backseat. And I'm so sorry that it had to be you guys, it had to be YouTube. But welcome to all the new family members. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for watching all my videos. Most importantly, because I have filmed so much content and I've been trying to figure out how to put them out, I'm like, what better way to put all the content about my new home out than through Vlogmas? I'm really excited. I already said it's my favorite time of the year. Look at my little cute Christmas tree. But yeah, so this is gonna be a little Vlogmas video that I'm gonna be doing. I say a little Vlogmas video, but I'm trying to do Vlogmas. I know Vlogmas is literally every single day, which is a lot, but because I have so much content, I think it should be fine. I think I can do it, you guys. Pray for me. Give me all the hoopers. Tell me yes, go girl in the comments, anything. Anything to motivate me to sit down and edit a video after a long day. Come home and edit a video for the next day. Tonight, I'm going to edit this video that I'm talking to you right now. I'm going to edit it right now tonight, and you will see it tomorrow morning. So, hello. Yeah. Happy holidays. It's the best season. It's literally my favorite time of the year. I have so much content coming for you guys. Apart from the stuff from my house, I also have my birthday trip coming up because I'm going to be going over to Breckenridge. You guys probably don't know it. I'll put the map right here. I'm going skiing. I absolutely love skiing. I haven't been skiing in years, and I'm just thinking, will I even still remember how to ski? You guys will see all of that madness. I'm taking it all with me. I'm taking you all with me, and I'm hoping it's going to be exciting. There's really not much to do in LA, so literally it's going to be my house stuff and then all the trips that I'm going to take. This weekend, I'm going over to Big Bear. I will film as much as I can because I don't want to necessarily film everyone there, just because not everyone might be comfortable being on YouTube, but I am going to film as much content from Big Bear as possible. Also, I'm going to be going over to Houston. Weekend after that, I will film some videos there as well. I'm going to see some friends. I'm trying some things. You'll see it. I think I might do some fillers. December's an interesting month, so you guys better make sure you don't miss these videos. But yeah, I'm going to do some fillers. I'm going to try fillers. You guys will see. There's like a little, you'll see it. You'll see it. I don't want to give too much information until you see the video. So that's happening weekend after that. And then my birthday weekend in Breckenridge with some family and friends. You guys, I think it's going to be such an exciting time, and I'm so excited to be doing my first Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I really hope that I'm able to do this to the end, because I'm already late, so late. But I feel like better late than never. If I'm not going to do a Vlogmas now, I'm probably not going to do one for a few years. So seeing as I'm trying to come back to YouTube with a bang, remember my intro? I'm hoping that this is going to be the bang. Well, I'm hoping that this is going to, you know, remind you guys that I'm here to stay, even though I took such a long break for my mental health, you know. I have so much for you guys. I have updates of hypothyroidism. Can you see me talking? I'm not struggling to breathe. Ah! Yeah, it's really happening. Like, I'm so excited. If you can hear like a little in the background, it's my air conditioning. You will see it in the videos as we go along. It is so loud. It's LG. It's so loud, but it is so amazing. Like, it is so amazing. You'll see the whole thing. I talked about it in the videos to come. But yeah, you guys, I'm really excited for this Vlogmas season. How was my little cute intro? I hope you guys liked it. But yeah, I I think I'm done talking. Let's just get right into today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, let's go. I'll catch you at the end. Most importantly, I just wanted to point out something. So, along the ways you're going to be seeing this video, I'm going to make sure I do a clear intro with me, piece the camera, looking at you guys, clear Christmas tree on hand, everything, just so you guys feel like, you know, I'm giving you guys quality content. Because I must point out, it might not mean anything to some of you, but to me, the lighting is just a problem for me in these videos. But I shot so many videos that I can't get rid of them because it is how I built my house. So yeah, the lighting is not great because I didn't have my ring light then. I didn't have any lights then because I just moved in and everything. So I literally just used the massive windows I showed you guys in my empty house tour, and just light from like cameras and phones and stuff. So bear with me. If you see the lighting and you think it's crazy, just bear with me. That's the reason. Okay, let's get back into the video. I realized that in my last video I didn't do an intro. It's simply because I feel like with the whole intro situation, because it was a moving video, it was just all over the place. It was actually even spread over 3 months, believe it or not, because I didn't find a place to move into for the longest time. It took me forever to find a place, so I'm just happy to find a place right now. So the title, I just want to do up my kitchen today, so I want you guys to join me. It should be some fun. It's gonna take some time. It's past 12 midnight right now, so I know that we're gonna be at this for a long time, but I think it should be fun, right? Okay. Kitchen looks like a bomb hit it. This, all the shopping for the kitchen is everywhere. Literally everywhere. It's a mess. So I want you guys to join me to get it done. I'm gonna wash all the dishes because obviously all the dishes I got, I don't feel like they're clean enough. Oh yeah, so I'm at home, there's no makeup on my face, and I'm just wearing shorts and a t-shirt so I can look comfortable for you guys. And I just tied something in my hair because I couldn't actually find any of my scarves, but I don't blame the scarves because my house is a disaster at the moment. Because I'm gonna do my marble on here with my, essentially it's contact paper, but with my marble thing. And this is the only marble thing I could get. It has a little bit of gold, which I don't mind because there's gold in my house. But it's a marble, my accents in my house are gold. But it's a marble thing. Yeah, it should be interesting. It's quite a lot. And it was only like $8 at, or so. I can't remember. But I put the link down below definitely for everything. So now what I'm going to do is, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I'm going to clean out all the drawers and then I'm going to figure out what goes where, essentially. So let's get to it. Do the dishes and then we're gonna start arranging stuff all over, and I'm gonna get to the table and the floor. Okay, should be exciting. I'm exhausted though. It should be exciting. I just realized I need to get drawers. I need to get shelves for my kitchen. Don't know how somehow I didn't realize that, but that's gonna have to happen. I think I'm gonna do white ones. Just because everything in here is white. I even got a white microwave. Yeah, let's do that. I'm starting really late. It's about 6 p.m. I'm starting at this time because I've been struggling with cramps all day. What I actually really feel like doing is just sleeping and doing nothing because I'm in so much pain. But at the same time, or when it gets, you know, this done today, so that I know that I'm just focusing on the rest of the house before the shelving for the kitchen comes in and the doorknobs. So I'm going to get this done now, so let's get to it. I've never done this before, so I'm a little, I don't know, is apprehensive the word? I'm a little worried, but I'm hoping that I can get it done and look really good, because otherwise I'll be upset. So I'm gonna use this painting frame that I have that I haven't used yet as the flattener. Wish me luck, guys. I almost feel like some help with doing this would have been awesome, but it's Christmas. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so you guys, it would look so pretty. I can already see that it's gonna look so great, but I'm really struggling with that corner right there. Let me show you guys. Right here, I don't even know if you can see it on the camera, but there's like some creases and there's air bubbles. Like, I'm struggling, but I'm good. I'm not gonna use this. This isn't working. This isn't working. Let's see. Okay, looks like this is working. I'm gonna take that corner out, up again, because I just feel like I'll be doing too much. This is it. This is working. Okay. Perfecto. Let's go. I don't know, I feel like this set is going to continuously be a struggle. I don't know what it is about this corner. It's going to be like this the whole way? I swear it's going to be obvious that it's not marble. This fucking corner. Oh, but this is super forgiving, you guys. Super forgiving. I'm shocked that I'm able to just take it off like that. Oh, this is working, but you guys have to be careful because this is sharp, so it's almost cutting it. There's wrinkles, but there's wrinkles only in one fucking corner. This is so annoying. I feel like starting it again. Oh my god, don't wrinkle. The fuck? It looks good on camera, I'm sure. Yeah, it does. Good deceit. That ain't it. That is not it. Hit the subscribe button, please. Thank you. to figure this out, guys. There must be another method. Everything going forward. Right now, this is just nonsense, in my opinion. Not all of it though, just some of it, which is so irritating. Just here, this corner right, this bit. I'm using this X-Acto knife because this is just giving me grief. So I'm using this X-Acto knife to kind of cut through. I know the Faux pops are not giving me this much stress. It's ridiculous. And when if you have air bubbles, just pop them. It makes a big difference. If you try to press it without popping them, you now have those creasy things. And they're just not cute. So like this, an open zip. So that side is down, and then this side is gonna have another one. So this side isn't as sticky for some reason, but that doesn't matter because I'm gonna cover this side anyways. I just need it here to cover, and then so I could do this side straight. Yep. That I can definitely use to probably redo this at another time, maybe when this gets old or when it starts to come off. I think that side's probably going to be the first to come off. So when that happens, I have this to redo it. To this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for welcoming me back after my little 2-month break, 2 or 3 month break. I think it is 2 months, 2-month break. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Please, please, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. Help your girl out, especially because I'm going to be churning these videos out. It is going to especially because I'm going to be churning these videos out. It's going to motivate me to do more videos quickly and fast and put all the videos out when they're supposed to be put. So please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below and just let me know that you appreciate me or you appreciate this video or what you thought about what I did in the house today. Thank you so much, guys. I will definitely, by the grace of God, catch you in my next video. Catch you in my next video. Ciao.